Hello, welcome to Daryl's Tech Tips. Today I'm going to show you how to change it back to the classic look in Google Chrome. In the new version 69, they totally changed the UI at the top of the browser. See if I got, see if there's a photo of it. Yeah, right. Yeah, right there where they changed it. But I can show you how to bring it back to where it looks like this. The browser I'm running the way I got it configured now. I'll leave all the links in the description below, but go to this website and they'll detail on how to do so, but I'll show you in this video. But type this link into your web browser address bar, and this top option right here, UI layout for browser, top Chrome. Go over here. It's set for, yours will be set on default, but go down and select normal. Then it'll probably pop up a thing to tell you to restart your browser for the settings to take effect, but do that and your browser will look like this again without the bubble looking tabs on the top, which takes up room on your desktop. I mean on your browser. But hope that tip helps you out. Be sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, want to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.